So now, ask your question.
I don't have a question anymore. Thank you.
It became irrelevant, didn't it? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how I get somewhere else because I'm here. It doesn't matter what else is coming because this is good. So now I'm happy where I am and anticipating a never-ending plethora of joyful experience.
It's about anticipation. For me, it is about anticipation.
Anticipation.
Enjoying anticipation.
Anticipation, but watch it. Because anticipation can cause a diminishment of now. Ooh. It's going to get better than this. So feel what we're softly guiding you toward. In other words, satisfied with where I am, in love with life where I am, loving myself, worthy, 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 blessed, blessed, blessed me, connected to source energy, who's loving every minute that I'm focused here, devouring this time-space reality through me, and yet knowing what's next and next and next and next and next, but no lack in the anticipation, just knowing that there's more and more and more. No shortage consciousness, no ever running out of resources, renewed, fulfilled, refilled, resourced. You're getting it, aren't you?
Yes, I'm getting it. Before I came into this chair, I was feeling the energy in my hands. It was so strong, and I just knew that you would pick me up. I just knew that, and I want this feeling in everything.
What you're describing is what it feels like when your inner being is focused with you and you are allowing yourself to understand and experience the union. Yeah. Life is supposed to be intense like that. Yeah, really good.
Thank you.